Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Okay, I'm not going to get emotional.
Come close to the microphone, Amogha. Please disclose.
Nam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Shrimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharani Devase Shunyavadi Paschataveshatarani. I haven't been here for 2 or 3 years, I can't even remember, so I feel pretty amazed to see you all. I'm glad I could come back. I must have done something wrong. And I don't get emotional at Vyasa Pujas. Please forgive me, I couldn't find the tilak bar. I put Ganga tilak on. My dear spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, please accept my respectful obeisances at your divine lotus feet on the occasion of celebrating your appearance in the material world. As the year count continues, and the body and I am in, as the year count continues, and the body grows old, try to remember that I'm a spirit soul. This truth I didn't know before you came into my life so many years ago. At that time, I didn't know anything about God. By your mercy, I could understand my real self is eternal. When I heard your disciples explain it, at that moment my whole life concept changed. By your mercy, I heard from you that the Supreme Lord is an eternal youth, playful, loving, humorous, and blue. He has blooming eyes like lotus petals and frolics in the forest of Vrindavan, far, 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 far beyond this crushing world of old age, disease, and death. With Srimati Radharani, the embodiment of the highest love for him, Krishna plays his flute and chanting the divine birds and other creatures of that home in the spiritual sky, to which you invite all who will hear your voice and read your books, garlanded by forest flowers adorned with jewels. Fine scents and garments of the highest splendor, splendid colors. God even dances with his dearmost devotees. How can we sufficiently thank you? You revealed the holy dhams. You revealed the holy dhams on earth. You revealed the holy dhams on earth. Pull that back to you. Where we can place ourselves in obeisances on the ground, which seems so worldly, yet is beyond this world. And pure Chintamani, or spiritualized touchstone. You inspired the development of ISKCON in Mayapur, where Lord Nityananda and Gauranga dance and sing forever, inviting us to join them. They are so kind that they overlook our faults and embrace our services, however small and insignificant they may be. If you had not created ISKCON, where would we stay in Mayapur? We wouldn't even know where or what it is. Due to your pure love for Krishna, he has appeared all over the planet in gem-like forms of rare, unrivaled beauty. The deities of Radha, Krishna, Nitai Gauranga, Lord Jagannath, Subhadra, Balaram, Krishna Balaram, Lord Nrsingadev, and more. You reveal to us that the deities are actually Krishna, not stone or wood. How dark and lost my eyes would be without seeing these divine forms. Of luminous beauty with their merciful faces beaming love and mercy. You have given us Krishna, yet some foolish people try to describe your teachings as basic. How can a body of knowledge by which one can go back to the spiritual world in this life be described as basic? I find the whirlwind of daily life bewildering and the activities of the fallen souls disturbing. But there is there is a shelter in the association of your swan-like devotees who chant and dance in ecstasy, celebrating the nectar of the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, my dear spiritual master, for being with me always. Tragedies and triumphs, health and injury, peace and chaos throughout all of you're always there, watching over me. Please guide me to ever increasing service that will please you, please your devotees, and please Radha and Krishna. Your insignificant servant, Amogha Das.